Hey everyone, welcome to the GenAI Creator Workshop. In this video tutorial, your dreams will come alive right on your screen. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D animated movies. And guess what? You don't need a Hollywood studio to create magic anymore. Whether it's a fairy tale kingdom or an action-packed superhero adventure, I'm here to show you how you, as a student, can bring your incredible stories to life using AI. So grab your capes and tiaras, and let's get started. Every great movie starts with a great story. If you already have one, fantastic. But if you're staring at a blank page, don't worry. Let's head over to an AI story generator. For today, we'll use a generative AI tool called GravityWrite. Just click the link below this video and it'll take you to gravitywrite.com. Log in using your Google account. Once you're on the site, navigate to the dashboard and click on Filmmaking Tools in the left panel. Then select AI Film Script Writer. Fill in the necessary details and a brief description of what you want, and voila, you'll get your movie script ready to go. Now that we have our story, it's time to bring our characters and scenes to life. Since we can't generate videos directly, we'll start by creating stunning images with AI. Let's use a tool called Midjourney. It's a fantastic tool, but a paid one. If you're looking for a free option, no worries. Tools like Playground AI, ClipDrop, Stable Diffusion, and Leonardo are great alternatives and equally powerful for creating beautiful images. Here's how it works. First, we'll need to craft detailed prompts from our story to give to the AI. This helps the AI understand exactly what we want. For today, let's use GravityWrite. Once you're in, you simply paste our story into the AI image generation prompts section. This feature is incredibly helpful as it suggests specific prompts that bring out the best in our story visually. With the prompts ready, let's start creating. Just type or paste them into the Midjourney, the image generation tool, like this :imagine and paste your first prompt. Hit enter and watch as the AI brings our scene to life right before your eyes. Look at these images. Each one is a piece of our movie puzzle, from enchanted landscapes to daring heroes. You can generate as many images as you need for different scenes in your movie. Remember, the more specific your prompts, the better the images. If you notice something off, just tweak your prompt and generate again. It's all part of the creative process. Once you've got all your images, we'll move on to animating them in our next step. But for now, play around with these tools, experiment with different styles, and most importantly, have fun creating your world. Great work on creating those images. Now, the third step is to bring those images to life by turning them into a flowing animation. We'll be using a tool called Pitha Labs. It's free to start and perfect for what we need. First, head to the link below this video to reach Pitha Labs. Create an account using your Google account to make things quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, ready to create movie magic. Here in Pitha Lab, we will convert images into video. Look at the bottom of the screen. It shows an option to upload an image or video. It's really intuitive. Just click Upload, then select the animated images you made in the last step. I'll show you with one of our images. After uploading, simply hit Generate. The AI works its magic, animating our static image into a dynamic scene. Let's hit play and download. Look at that transformation. Just delete the old image from the project, upload the next one, and repeat the process. It's a bit of a cycle: generate, review, refine. But that's what filmmaking is all about. And that wraps up our animation step. Now that we have our animations ready, it's time to give our characters a voice. For this crucial step, we'll use 11 Labs, a powerful tool that transforms text into spoken audio. It's perfect for adding that personal touch to your animated movie. Head to the link below this video to get started with 11 Labs. Sign up with your Google account for easy access. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with a variety of options. Here's the fun part: choosing a voice for your characters. 11 Labs offers a range of pre-made voices. Listen to each and choose the ones that best match your characters' personalities. Whether you want a heroic tone or a mystical whisper, you'll find it here. After selecting a voice, it's time to bring your script into the mix. Simply type or paste the dialogue for your scene into the tool. Then, let 11 Labs work its magic, converting your text into a clear, expressive voiceover. Once the voiceover is generated, play it back to make sure it sounds just right. If it's not perfect, you can easily make adjustments or try a different voice. The goal is to make your characters as lively and as real as possible.
In the enchanting city of Jaipur, where ancient palaces whisper old secrets and markets sparkle with colorful crafts, a young boy named Arav discovers something truly magical.
Now, download the voiceover files. These will be crucial for the next step, where we'll synchronize the voice with the animations to complete our scenes. The last step will bring everything together, combining voice, animation, and music to complete our storytelling masterpiece. We'll be using Clipchamp, a user-friendly video editing tool that's perfect for stitching our movie into one seamless narrative. First, navigate to Clipchamp through the link below this video and sign up if you haven't already. It's simple. Just use your Google account to log in. Once you're in, create a new project and start uploading your animated clips and voiceover files. Clipchamp's drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to arrange your scenes just the way you want them. Now, drag each voiceover file to align with the correct scene. It's important to synchronize the audio perfectly with the visuals to make sure your character's lip movements match the spoken words. Next, let's add transitions between scenes to ensure a smooth flow. With our scenes and audio in place, it's time to add the final touch: background music. Clipchamp has a built-in library of free music tracks. Select a track that enhances the atmosphere of your movie, be it adventurous, mystical, or heroic. Now, preview your movie to see how everything comes together. This is your chance to make any final tweaks. Maybe adjust the timing, change a transition, or swap a music track until everything feels just right. Happy with your creation? Fantastic! Hit the export button to render your movie. And there you have it. A complete 3D animated movie created from scratch, using AI tools and your imagination. You've written the story, crafted the visuals, animated the scenes, added voiceovers, and edited it all into a fantastic movie. Congratulations!